Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, for the first time since I did my channel YouTube, this is Whiskey, our brand new puppy. It's a mix between a boxer and an Australian cattle dog. I think it's going to be a nice mix. So I think you're going to see him more often since he's going to be part of our life, that's for sure. Now I'm losing where I wanted to go with it. But listen, either way, we're going to do a painting. We're going to do a painting, a strange painting that, well, not strange, but something that I didn't do before. So we'll see what happens. Let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. Okay guys, so I think it's a success. I think it's a very nice result, with the exception that I did one big mistake. I did use masking tape, but I did use a cheap one that you get at the dollar store. That was a big mistake. As you saw, we had a lot of problem getting rid of it, and I had to ask Nicole to come and give me a hand, because I didn't think, I don't have a lot of patience, you know, so I was just on the verge of just put it on the side and forget about it. So anyway, I think the result, it's kind of nice. Nicole said that the second pouring I did make over the masking tape, she would have done it more bright. I think it's right. I think she's not wrong, but except for the fact that if you look at it, the fact that we did the second pouring over it a little bit more darker, it does bring up the one that we did before a lot more. So I think it's very nice. I think it's a lot of work. I'm not sure I want to do it quite often. It's not something that I want to repeat a lot of time. I'm going to do it only if someone asks for it. But if not, I think I'm just that way. I think it's nice, but that's it for me. So guys, at least we had to try it, that's for sure. You have to try everything at least once. Not everything, but you know what I mean. So in pouring, there's such a nice array of technique out there that you can try, that you have for a long time, just to have fun with it. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it. Like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.